It's Tuesday morning and I'm off to meet the Wales team. I'm so excited.
How are you?
Fine.
What's your name?
Hi mate.
Amir.
Amir?
Nice to meet you, you alright?
Yeah.
What position do you play?
Striker.
Oh no! Yeah, nightmares. Strikers. Don't show us up. Try and make us look good.
Okay.
Right, let's do some tackling. What's your left foot like? Better than mine. Oh no. Oh!
Thank you.
Best boy. I'll keep it up. Have a best of luck. Hello mate.
Hi.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Okay. Amir.
Oh, Chris, nice to meet you. Hey mate.
Hi. Hello. Yeah.
Who did you play for?
King College.
For all the goals, did you?
Yeah.
When's your next game?
This Saturday, I think.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Who have you got?
I don't know yet. We only know.
What's that?
Sorry.
I'm used to that from Aaron's passes, don't worry.
Oh yeah. He's just in there.
What position do you play?
Striker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just got any goals this season?
Yeah, I scored 3.
How many you got, Vogue?
Bye.
Ready, one touch! You had a good day?
Yeah.
Did you do a lot of ball work?
Yeah, we play matches sometimes in training.
So you scored the goals?
Yeah, I scored 3 already this season.
3 already? Wow, excellent. Keep going then.
Thank you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir. Who is the funniest teammate?
It's a double act of Joe Ledley and Wayne Hennessy. I think both of them together are like Walker and Wise.
Yeah. Who has the best hairstyle?
I think Gareth's, isn't it? I think he takes the most time on his hair.
When you were younger, what footballer did you look up to?
Gary Speed, with him being Welsh and a goal scorer midfielder, which I try and be as well. He was someone I really tried to base my game around, and then obviously being able to play under him as well was a magical experience.
Thank you very much.
Thank
nice
you.
meeting you.
Thank you. Nice meeting you too.